Okay, so when I did the lines for the power steering, I just noticed this. This is some engine oil, and it's probably from the crankshaft. It's the crankshaft seal. So that means gearbox off, clutch off, remove the seal, replace the seal, put everything back in again. That's a cool job. So let's begin. First thing, remove the tray for the battery. Next thing is to remove the starter and the cables. So this is a 13 for the battery cable. Take this out. To remove the starter, there's a bolt under here. The head on this bolt is 16. Let's see if we can remove that. So this bolt is going all the way through the gearbox and into the engine and into the mount on this side. So from the underside of the car, this is the other bolt for the starter. This is also a long bolt going through the gearbox and into the mount, engine mount in the other side. Now I should be able to take this out. So the next thing I'm removing is this lever for the gearbox. This is a counterweight for when you're changing gear. It feels more heavy to change the gear. And this is the gear selector. So this is coming off. Normally you'll have a small clip like this. There should be one here too, but it's missing right now. And now we can take this off. This is a 13.2. Just lift this off. So there's a small clip down here. You just have to pull this out. Okay, not easy. Then I can remove this, and there's a small sleeve in here. There's one in the other side too. The next thing I need to remove is the bracket over here for the gearbox cable. Again, this is a 13. The last one is here. This bracket right here, I'm gonna remove this too. It's just these two bolts, this one and this one over here. Take this out, take the bolt out over here. Then I have this off and I have some more room when I need to take the gearbox off. So let's do that. So these two bolts, these are 17s. And the same for this one. This is a 17 too, but I need some kind of extension to reach that. That's one. That's number two. So this is out. So the next thing is number 8 Allen key to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts and these two down here. So on the back side of the gearbox there's this support where you need to remove this bolt and this bolt up here. That's the only two you need to remove. So I'm going to do that now. Next part is to remove this bracket, because when this is removed I can put the engine crane on here and remove this bracket over here, and I can lower the engine down a little bit in this side. And then it's possible to pull the gearbox off. So let's do that. For this part there's 3 bolts, one here, one down here and one. The last one is under here in behind. It's not easy to see, but when you're removing this, you can see it. So I'm gonna remove this. So I have the crane on now, and I have lifted it so it's just carrying the engine. Now I can remove the bolt from the engine mount and remove this gearbox mount too. So let's try that. Engine mount. The engine mount is removed, and now it should be able to lower the engine a little bit down. Then I can pull the gearbox out. Let's see how it goes. So you have to remove the engine mount, or you have to remove the gearbox mount. If you don't do that, this lower bolt, it won't come out, because it's hitting here on the side. So yeah. So now it should be possible to lower this to the correct position. The only thing I need to remove now is these 2 bolts up here. The last 2 bolts are this one and this one over here, and both of these are 19. This one. This is a double. something moved. Something moved. That's good. Now I should be able to push the gearbox back and lower it slowly down, I hope. Something is coming out. Yeah. Hvad fanden sker der? So the reason I had some trouble removing the gearbox is because this was in the way. It sits on the back of the engine. So it's been it's a little bent now, but I'll straight it out, and that's fine. So let's see if we can get it out. And it's free. So how the hell am I gonna put this back in again? I have no idea. Well, that's a problem for another day. Easy. Now I just have to remove the clutch, and there's a heat shield, something behind that, and I can get to the bad seal. For removing the clutch, you need this I don't know, 12 point. It's called E11. Oh my god. To remove the bolts for the clutch, this is a 17, and there's probably some thread locker on, but let's see if I can take them out. So this is the seal that is leaking, and it's coming out here from the side. So we're gonna take this off and find a new one. Are you okay?